In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile transactions in Xero effectively and efficiently, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Reconciliation is a key part of financial management, helping you to spot discrepancies early and maintain accurate records for your business. So let's dive right into the process. First and foremost, you need to navigate to the Xero homepage. This is where your journey to seamless financial reconciliation begins. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. A single click is all it takes to get started on this path. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is a crucial step to ensure the security and privacy of your financial data. Key in your email and password associated with your Xero account. These details are your gateway to accessing the wealth of financial management tools that Xero offers. Post entering your credentials, hit the Login button to proceed. This step brings you closer to the core functionalities of Xero, including the reconciliation process. Once logged in, you're ready to navigate through Xero's intuitive interface to manage your accounts. The next step involves navigating to the Accounting section. Here you'll find an array of options designed to make financial management a breeze. This platform is where you'll start the journey of reconciling your transactions, but first you need to access your bank accounts within Xero. Click on Bank Accounts. This section displays all your linked bank accounts, providing a comprehensive overview of your financial standing across different banking institutions. This clear, concise view is crucial for effective reconciliation. Upon accessing your bank accounts, you'll see an option to manage account for the respective account you wish to reconcile. This is where Xero's true power in streamlining financial processes shines through, offering you specific tools for account management. The next logical step is to click on Reconcile Account. This action opens up the Reconciliation Workspace, a dedicated environment where you can match your transactions against your bank statements, ensuring everything adds up as it should. Now, for the detailed reconciliation process, you'll want to click on Find and Match. This feature of Xero is ingeniously designed to help you locate transactions quickly, especially useful for matching a large volume of transactions accurately and efficiently. At times when a transaction isn't listed or needs to be updated, click on New Transaction. This option allows you to manually add any missing transactions, ensuring that your financial records are comprehensive and up to date. Whether it's receiving money, processing a direct payment, or accounting for overpayments, Xero provides streamlined functionalities for each scenario. Specifically, when you receive money that isn't matched to an invoice, you'll select Receive Money. This ensures the transaction is recorded and accurately reflected in your financial records. Similarly, for direct payments where you make a payment without the need for an invoice, selecting Direct Payment allows you to record this transaction type correctly. Overpayments, a scenario where either you pay more than you owe or a client overpays, are also easily managed within Xero. By selecting Overpayment, you can record these transactions accurately, ensuring your financial statements reflect the true nature of these transactions. After adding or matching transactions, the pivotal moment arrives. You'll need to click on Save Transaction. This action solidifies your entries or updates into your Xero account, ensuring that every transaction is logged accurately. The final step in this journey is to click on Reconcile. This significant step is where everything comes together, marking the completion of your reconciliation process. It's a moment of satisfaction, knowing that your financial records are accurate and reflective of your actual financial situation. Throughout this process, remember, reconciliation is not just a task, but a vital financial health check for your business. Regular reconciliation ensures accuracy in your records, providing you with a solid foundation for making informed business decisions. We hope this guide helps you navigate the reconciliation process in Xero with ease, ensuring your financial management is as smooth and efficient as possible. Remember, each step is designed to make the process intuitive and straightforward, giving you more time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to engage with any questions or for further clarification. Happy reconciling!